Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates to create client billing trackers in 2025. The fastest way is to grab a billing tracker or finance tracker template from Notion gallery or community. This usually comes with preloaded properties like client name, invoice number, amount due date, statute, and payment method. So you do have all the essential setup from the start. Once the template is in your own workspace, customize it for your business. Add tags like for paid or pending or overdue. Link invoices directly into your page and embed recipes for contract for quick access. You can even connect it to your client database so every billing record stay tied to the right account. Notion views also make it easy to stay on top of cash flow. A calendar view helps you to track payment deadline. A board view groups invoice by statute, and table view gives you a clean master list for your reportings. For extra efficiency, link your billing tracker with project management or proposal templates inside Notion. That way, when you close a deal, you finish a project, you can instantly track the billing in the same system. And when it's time to share, you can export or generate polished client-facing page directly from Notion without messy spreadsheets. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.